are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. We get right into the project that we're going to do today. These are mini tote bag with multiple pockets, but you can also use this as a purse organizer as well. And you can just carry this by itself, or you can put it within your bag or your purse. Today we're going to make this size here. What you will need for this project. And so what you're going to do is turn your fabric on the opposite side, and this is for my new subscribers, and then place your inner facing in the back of it. Both of these, iron that onto there like this right here. All right, so once you finish doing that, position our tag. Just go ahead and fold the center, and then from the top, you're going to drop down about 4 centimeters down, and this is optional. So we mark 4 centimeters down. You're going to go to the machine and you're going to sew that in place. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, go ahead and get your webbing, which is going to be our strap holder. We're going to be placing these in position. Once again, enforce that center again. Then from the center all the way over to the right, we're going to measure 4 centimeters. And then from the center here all the way over to the left, we're going to measure 4 centimeters. And you mark it. And then you're going to put your webbing in position. You're going to do the same thing for the other one as well. You're going to go to your machine and you're going to sew right here, right here, right here, and right here. Your handle should be attached and in place. The next step, we're going to take both of these and we're just going to put them both together, right side facing each other, and we're going to pin this in place. You're going to go to the machine and you're going to sew all the way down, across, and then up. Let's go ahead and put that aside for now. And we're going to work on our pockets for the bag. Go ahead and get your 2 fabric. Right side facing each other. We're going to fold it in half. You should get both of them. Then we're going to mark these and leave a gap. Fold this in half if it will help you. That fold that we did in between, just leave a 6 centimeter gap. Just like that. And do the same for the other side as well. Pin it in place, of course, and take it to the machine and start sewing from this end all the way across and then down, and then you stop there and you start at this end that we mark all the way over and down, and then stop right there, and then you're going to leave a gap right here. And the same thing for this process as well. You should now have this all sewn, and cut these corners so we can turn it inside out. We are going to go to the iron and iron this out. Once you finish ironing down, you're going to go to the machine and we're going to sew this gap up. Both of these, we're going to sew the top here and then all the way across over here. All right, you should now have it sewn. So let's go ahead and mark these pockets so we can position it. Let's do one pocket at a time. Let's go ahead and fold this one in half, and we're just gonna draw it out so we can sew down that line. we put that aside and let's get the other one. And then we're gonna mark 4 centimeters in. And then we're gonna draw a line. And from that line, we're gonna push over 10 centimeters. And then we're gonna mark that. Draw a line. Let's put those two aside and we're gonna get our 2 lining, and we're gonna be marking these as well. Put that one aside and we're gonna work on this one. The corner here at the bottom, you're gonna mark 4 centimeters up, and then at that line, we're gonna push in and mark 3 centimeters in. And then from that 3 centimeters in, we're gonna move over 2 more centimeters over. 4 centimeters up, 3 centimeters in. That's it for this one. We're gonna go ahead and mark 4 centimeters up, 3 centimeters in from that line. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side as well. Repeat that. So we're gonna go ahead and get our pockets and we're gonna place this down. Put that aside and get this first pocket here. And this is the one that we center. We are going to be folding this in half. Okay, and there's the center, and we are going to be position this. So the first pocket on this side here, we're gonna position it right on top of that 3 centimeters that we mark. Let it sit right on top of there. You're gonna pin that in place, right? And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. You're gonna place that on top of that 3 centimeters that we pushed in, pin that down. And so the center one, we have the line already marked there. And we already have the line that's up here as well, the center as well. So you're gonna bring that down and then you're gonna position that right in the center of that. And then you're gonna pin that in place. Should now look like that. All right, let's put that aside and get our other pocket. And we're gonna fold that in half. And let's get our pocket. So at that 3 centimeter line that we marked, we're gonna do the same process like we did with this. We're gonna place it on top of that 3 centimeters line, and then we're gonna pin that in place, okay? And then do the same thing for the other side as well. And then at the line, at this line here that we have right here, we're gonna line it up with the center one, okay? And then this one here, we're gonna line up this line here. We're gonna line it up at a 2 centimeter line right at the bottom there. Okay, and just let it sit right there. Let's pin that in place. We're gonna go to machine and we're gonna sew down this end right here. Everywhere that we mark down here as well. Down here, this line right here as well. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, down here, in the middle, and then the other end right there. All right, you should now have your pocket in place. It should now look like that. And like that. Let's go ahead and flip that over on top of that. Pin that in place. Take this to the machine, and we are going to sew starting from this end here at the top, all the way down, across, and then up. All right, you should now have it sewn all the way around. We're gonna cut these corners. We're gonna fold like this. I'll be marking it. Mark it 3 centimeters down, okay? Put a line right across, right over. And you're gonna do it for this one as well, this corner and that corner. Once you finish pinning everything in place, we're gonna take it to the machine and we're gonna sew across there. So right here, right there, and right there. Okay, you should now have all 4 corners sewn. Go ahead and cut these corners. Turn our bag around, right? And then we're gonna take this, and then we're gonna put this inside of here. Right side touching each other, making sure everything lines up, match it up. And do the same thing for the other side. Right, and make sure you tuck tuck the handles in. We're gonna leave a gap, about a 6-inch gap we can leave right here in the center. We're gonna go to a machine and we mark. We're gonna start right here, go all the way around, and then come back at that other place that we mark and leave that gap right here. You should now have it all sewn in a gap. So go ahead and pull that bag through. So once you finish doing that, we're going to be going to the machine because we got to sew this gap up as well. I'm going to sew all the way around here. You should now have sewn all the way around. It's finished. That's super cute. I love it. Then you can start filling this beauty here up. So yes, that is it for our tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye my YouTubers.